All right, everybody. Here we are going to do some of the reviews of ChatGPT's dedicated GPTs. So I have this ChatGPT that I have bought the paid one, where I'm allowed to use GPT-4o for considerable longer duration than the people who are using it for free. So I'll be able to do a lot of things. Let's just start. And today I want to focus on mostly image generators. There are dedicated GPTs where you can just generate any image that you can think of, just write it in the text, and it will try to generate it. These are the ones that I've used before, some of the one I was trying, and let's just go into Explore GPTs where we can see a bit more of this stuff. It's taking time to load. All right, what is wrong here? Let me cancel it and try again. Here we go. Let's review the image generator first. It will ask you to start chatting because it's going to connect with a dedicated one. And let's imagine something. Dancing old man on the beaches of, for example, Thailand. Let's see what happens. So GPT-4o, do they say that it's very nice? All right, we have some answers here. Wow. It is trying to give some views of the beach which matches with how beaches in Thailand looks like because I live in Thailand. Let us open. Wow, that's a nice image. Okay, let's try to do some changes, the micro level changes, and see how it goes. I'm going to make change the pant color to be yellow, for example, and let's see what happens. It's creating image. Okay, that is an interesting one. Though it changed the pose and also changed the background, but still it's a very impressive output. Let's do more changes. Include more people on beach. Spelling is wrong, but I think ChatGPT can understand what I want. Alright, it's a bit slow. Okay, there are more people behind, and it's, I think, same as the previous image, almost. Yeah, exactly. And then we have more people here that you can see. Perfect. That's going good. I think the image generator, that dedicated GPT is really nice. Let me close this one and try to get another one. Let's go to del-a, start the chat, and let's see, let's say happy people of, let's say, South India. Let's see what kind of image it will make. It's sending a lot of text here. Say the screen includes a man and woman dressed in traditional South Indian dress. Blah blah blah. Atmosphere is fantastic. Oh, festive and lively. What does it want? Let me say, please create. Good thing about ChatGPT is that you can just talk like a human and it will try to understand what do you want. You don't exactly have to go into giving it some kind of syntax input to it in order to understand. That's the good thing. And that is what is going to make ChatGPT more useful because you don't have to be trained in using this software or application. All right, it has created some. Looks very vibrant and colorful with the dressing sense and the background behind with the coconut trees. You can see that it is kind of South Indian. Let me change it to be, please reduce number of people to be just 5. Let's see what happens. Creating image again. And I hope number of people will be lesser now. It will understand. Okay, here is the image. The first one is nice, where the people in foreground are just 5. Second one has 6. So it's a little change, but we will give it to ChatGPT. It's not a big problem. What else can we make? Okay, let's say make image of F1 race starting. That's very straightforward. I think it should be pretty fast. Yeah, so here it shows. It has these lights which are there when race starts, and this is exactly the view you see when you're watching some F1 race on your TV. So quite simple and quite easy. And let's check the security features of Delhi. So for example, if you are trying to put something which is very explicit and not something that is supposed to be done by AI because it can be misused. So let's have a check. Make an image of, for example, naked man. See, content is violating, cannot create the image, so it's pretty good. The del-e is doing a nice job in this case, and it's just telling the user of ChatGPT that you cannot use it. Perfect. Let's see, make image of naughty clubs of, for example, LA. It should show the same. No, it is going to give you some kind of thing which is not exactly the naughty or something we asked, but I think it will give just a normal DJ playing, the diverse crowd, dress in fashionable attire kind of stuff. So let's see what comes out. Okay, if we try to open the image, no preview available. All right, but what we see here, it's quite nice, quite clean. Nothing bad around here, I think. Let me try to open this image. I don't know why I cannot open the image here. Maybe some application problem. What can I do? Okay. Let's do a little change here. Make the image less, let's say black and white. It's creating an image. I think, I don't know, it will be both of them or any one of them or something completely new, but in black and white color. Nice. If you see, it is completely different, but black and white is still the same thing. The vibrant nightlife scene of trendy nightclubs in Los Angeles. Let's see these images will open or not. Yeah, I can open those. Okay, that's nice. Let's see, I can open the previous ones. Yes, I can open them, and it's something nice, not something that is obscene or something that cannot be shown to people, but it's quite interesting. All right, so Del-E is doing good. Let's see another dedicated GPT for image. Adobe Photoshop. Yeah, well, Photoshop is very famous. Let's see how it is doing job with this new technology called AI. All right, they have some default hints here. What we can do: make a flyer to promote my yoga studio grand opening. Create a TikTok of my morning skincare. All right, let's do something custom, not what Adobe want us to do. Make an image of duck in swimming pool. So we'll make something simple and then try to edit it. Wow. All right, so here we see that Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Express is a little bit detailed. It is trying to tell user that we are going to do this step by step. To create an image reduction, you can use the Adobe Express to add the duck. Okay. It is asking that you can do some changes. There are some steps to do it within the app. But let me ask it as a normal human. Can you make it here? It's telling me there is a template and all that stuff. I'm not going to read it. I'll just say decide by yourself. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's giving me a lot of details now. Okay, something is happening that I want as a normal user. So this thing is a bit annoying from Adobe for a normal user who just want to see some kind of image, but Adobe is trying to tell some more details, which sometimes could be a little bit annoying, and it will defeat the purpose of using AI because people want to use AI for, okay, I'm just reading what output has come. Yeah, people want to use AI where it just simply gets some image, and if it doesn't match their expectation, they'll just make a new one. But you see, I wanted to make just a duck in swimming pool. Adobe gave me lot of text. It might be useful for pro users who want exactly something, but for a common user like me, it is not that I want. I just want some. It's telling me the APIs and all that stuff. And after that, when output also came, it is a lot of images with some text which I didn't ask. So it is too much Adobe Express is doing that a normal user wants. I think maybe it will have can have two options, like you simply want to do it, or you are an advanced user, you want to go into more details, something like that. So let's give another chance to Adobe Express, make a new one, and say make a simple image of rivers in Thailand. All right, it's asking me to go to Adobe Photoshop, which I don't want. I want image here. So yeah, that's annoying. Can you make it here? Sure, I can help you with a simple image rivers of Thailand. Basic design share with you. Please hold on a moment while I create the image. Okay. So Adobe Express, after giving a command what kind of image I want, I need to tell it, please make it here. not make it not ask me to go to your application or the website and just give me a lot of text. I don't want that. Okay, it is still asking me to please hold on for a moment while I create the image. Okay, I'm not sure if something is happening. Let's just wait 15-20 seconds more. That's annoying. Let me ask it. Are you still making image? I don't have ability to directly create image within this environment. Okay, so that is some kind of annoying thing. It did create some of the images before that we were trying on the previous one, but now it is saying, sorry, I don't have the ability to directly create the image. So clearly Adobe Express is not ready for this new technology integration with AI and ChatGPT and all. So I'll just close that. Let us search if there are more image generating dedicated ChatGPTs. I search as image. So Dell-3 Ultra we haven't used. We use a simple one, Dell E. Let me try something. Image generator, free AI image generator, image upscaler and enhancer, image animator, image copy machine GPT. I don't know, there are various names. Let's go to image generator. Okay, generate similar images in ratio based on an updated image, uploaded image. Okay, so it is something, it wants an input from my side in terms of image. I'm not going there because today we are doing just text to image generator. Accurate and detail oriented image creator. Let's start this chat. Make an image of happy Indian, or let's say Thai man. Let's see how fast and simple it is. See, compared to Adobe Express, it just started creating image by its own intelligence, giving me some input. I think it should be faster because the input I gave is very broad. It can just quickly do something. Okay, I see some image. It exactly doesn't look like a Thai man by face, but dress is basically Thai. The background is fields which can be close to, it's like, yeah, it's a Thailand field with coconut trees, a couple of them. So yeah, here if you see in the image creator, the output is fast but not accurate. It's not a Thai man. If you can just see some stereotype. Can you change the face to be common Thai man? Let's see what happens. Right. Okay, something is there. But again, it's not a Thai man. In fact, it looks some Westerner face. So image creator is fast, but it's not good enough. Let me try to edit more photo, the similar photos a bit more. Make him stand with a Thai girl. Unable to generate image of women or girls. Okay, so this is maybe kind of some security feature that they don't allow any female gender to make it like people can try to take advantage of something. So I'm closing that. Let's see another one, image to text to image. Okay. Analyze photos, describe them, and generate new images. All right. Wow, it can also allow to do that. Let me upload some file here on the desktop. I have some of my photos here. Let's see, this is my image in Thailand and say describe this image. Man with short, neatly combined black hair, okay. Wearing glasses and black suit, he has a serious expression and is looking directly at the camera. The background features a modern landscape with tall, glass-covered skyscraper, including one with the distinctive irregular patterns on its facade. The sky is bright and clear with some light clouds, and overall impression is professional and urban. Okay, that's a nice explanation. Let me ask this GPT to make changes. Let's see. In last image, change the hair color to be, let's say something yellow. Okay, wrong spelling, but let's see what it can do. Good thing is not asking me a lot of questions like Adobe Express. It's creating image. Okay, things are completely changed here. This is funny. So this thing is also clear that ChatGPT or any dedicated GPT cannot do minor changes on your similar photos. What it can do is trying to take a summary of that photo and then create its own. And most of the time it is artistic, not realistic. Alright, let's try something else. Create images for me. The rating is 3.7. What it can do is easily create images with del E3. So this one we have used, the del-E. I think it's going to be same, just trying to use their services or API. So we will not use that. Let's see, image editor. What does it do? Easily edit photos. Merge, rotate, write, many things. Okay, when it says edit photos, let's say if it can edit photos using the same pic. Make hair color to be yellow in this image. Let's see what input output comes from here. All right, analyzing. There was an attempt to use the image.show function, which is not suitable for displaying image here. Let me correct that, and I don't know what it is. Whoa. Oh, I asked for make hair color to be yellow, and I think it's not just the hair color, it has changed a lot of things to be yellow. That's interesting. Okay, what I see or guess now is by default, ChatGPT, whatever model they are using, it got the command is whatever you see black in the image, change it to yellow. That's what I can see. So my eyes, eyebrows, somewhere near my mouth where it's a black shadowy stuff, it all turned into yellow. So not the correct one, but good thing is that it has used the same image that I uploaded. Let me try it again. Can you undo it? Let's see if it can undo its own creation. Okay, it's back. Original image is restored. Perfect. Change the clothes to be beach wear and casual. Let's see what happens. Changing clothes image with the beach water and all that stuff is asking me, including segmentation and replacement of clothes, which typically requires specialized software or tool. However, I can generate an image based on the request. Would you like me to proceed? I'll say yes. Creating image. Okay, so now it has gone into something generic and just use some of the properties of my previous photo, and it has completely changed the person in it. But it has shows like guy looking into camera with some skyscrapers in the background. Okay, not bad, but it's just variable outputs that you cannot just use anywhere. All right, uh, let's see what this random image says. Generate a random image. Okay, let's test this last one. Image of iPhone, let's say 16 Pro Max. Asking me to do something. Let's allow. Is talking to some lambda URL est. Okay, that's too much of information. I don't think user wants to know that. All right, it's generating the image. Okay, there is an artistic representation of iPhone 16 Pro Max. Style of the Heidelberg School. The scene captured the essence of natural light, vibrant. Okay, I don't want to know the details. Just want to see the image. Okay, there is no special attribute that we can say that it is iPhone 16. All right, I think that is all for today. Let's just come back to the home page of ChatGPT. So summary is I'm using this ChatGPT paid version for last more than 2 weeks now, and I really enjoy how it can just visualize my imagination. And many of the times, like more than 60% of the time, the output is not exactly what I want, but sometimes the output is very nice, and it may not match the exact requirement what I want, but it can solve the purpose of like why I need that image, and if I want to use it in some of my blog or some of my presentation that I'm making for my company. So it's in total, it's really nice. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, guys.